So let's start with the Laplace transformation. So Laplace transformation, we can use Laplace transformation by reducing any problem into a simple form, okay, by reducing its complexity. Okay, so basically we use it in ordinary differential equation, right? सो ऑर्डिनरी डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करने के लिए हम लैपलास ट्रांसफॉर्म का यूज करेंगे, बट उससे पहले हमें कुछ उसके फॉर्मूलाज ड्राइव करने होंगे, उसके कुछ बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट समझने होंगे. तो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स. सो लैपलास ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन of any function, Laplace transformation of any function f of t is limit from 0 to infinity e raised to power minus st f of t, जिस फंक्शन का हमें लैपलास निकालना है f of t and dt. But we have a condition provided t must be greater than equal to 0. So this is the Laplace transformation of any function of t variable. Okay, by integrating this function we get a function of variable s. You can use any other variable, but in general s use किया जाता है, so we'll use s, and after integration this function become function of s. Okay, so let's start to drive another some formulas. First of all, सबसे पहले हम निकालेंगे Laplace transformation of 1. Laplace transformation of 1 using the above formula. So Laplace transformation of 1 is limit from 0 to infinity e raised to power minus st. f of t की जगह आ जाएगा 1. f of t की जगह विल यूज 1 dt. इंटीग्रेट कर दो इसको, e रेज टू पावर माइनस एस टी बाय माइनस एस, लिमिट फ्रॉम 0 टू infinity. By applying these limits, by applying infinity we get 0 and minus, and with this limit minus plus हो जाएगा. So this is 1 upon s. So Laplace transformation of 1 is 1 upon s. Okay, by continuing this, next we'll find Laplace transformation of t using the above formula. Limit 0 to infinity e raised to power minus st, f of t की जगह पर dt आ जाएगा and dt. Okay, so this is Laplace transformation of t. इस पे बाय पार्ट्स इंटीग्रेशन होगा. टेक इट एज फंक्शन 1 एंड दिस इज एज फंक्शन 2. सो फटाफट से इसको कर लेते हैं इंटीग्रेट. सो फर्स्ट फंक्शन एज इट इज, t एज इट इज. सेकेंड का इंटीग्रेशन e रेज टू पावर माइनस एस टी बाय माइनस एस, लिमिट फ्रॉम 0 टू इन्फिनिटी. इसका माइनस और एक और हम जब इंटीग्रेट करते हैं वो भी माइनस में आता है, तो दिस बिकम पॉजिटिव 0 टू इन्फिनिटी. एंड फर्स्ट फंक्शन का डेरिवेटिव होगा, दैट इज 1. सो वी गेट e रेज टू पावर माइनस एस टी बाय एस dt. By applying these limits in this function we get 0 because of infinity. This function becomes 0, and because of 0 this function becomes 0. So overall this whole function vanishes and we get only e raised to power minus st by s. Again integrated, so we get what we get, e minus 1 upon e raised to power minus st by s square, limit from 0 to infinity. Okay, so applying these limits, we get by infinity this becomes 0 and minus minus plus, and we get 1 upon s square. Okay, so Laplace transformation of t is 1 upon s square. Get it? So continuing like this, we derive a formula. Suppose we have to find out Laplace transformation of t square. Okay, so this become 2 by s cube. Similarly, Laplace transformation of t cube is 3 factorial by s4, and so on up to nth term. We get Laplace transformation of t n is n factorial by s raised to power n plus 1. So Laplace transformation in general t raised to power n becomes 1 n factorial by s raised to power n plus 1. So this is the general formula of t, all the integral powers, that is 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on. So next we'll find out Laplace transformation of e raised to power at. Okay, so next we'll find out the Laplace transformation of e raised to power at. So Laplace transformation of e raised to power at is integration, according to the formula, integration 0 to infinity and e raised to power minus st e raised to power at dt. फंक्शन की जगह पर क्या आ गया? e raised to power at dt. ओके, सो पावर्स ऐड हो जाएंगी. वी गेट 0 टू इन्फिनिटी e raised to power a minus s t dt. Okay, we can write it as limit 0 to infinity e raised to power minus, हम बाहर निकाल देते हैं, so we get s minus a t dt. By integrating we get e raised to power minus s minus a t upon minus of s minus a, limit from 0 to infinity. Okay, so next we have by applying these limit, by applying infinity we get this function as 0, and by applying 0 माइनस एक लिमिट इसकी आएगी, एक माइनस ये है, सो इट बिकम पॉजिटिव एंड वी गेट 1 अपॉन s माइनस a. सो Laplace transformation of e raised to power at is 1 upon s minus a. So we get Laplace transformation of e raised to power at is